Welcome to Solid Solution Products. You are tuning into the polished concrete repair, patch and grout tutorial featuring Camo Patch UV Polymer, an aliphatic UV-proof material that is non-discoloring and moisture tolerant to ensure the quality and appearance of the repair over time. The system is interchangeable between both Camo Patch and Camo Patch UV. Choose the UV option for high-end polished concrete projects. Special note, Camo Patch UV was previously named Spec UVR. All systems carry over into the name change. Here are the materials you will need. I will break them down for you. A utility card is suggested. It helps with the application and contains any spills and gives for better mobility around the project. Eye and skin protection, rags and a cleaning agent, margin trowel, aero mixer, and a hand drill. Disposable cups. Here I have a 32 ounce and 4 ounce cups for easy measuring. Hand grinder with diamond tooling. And for the dry mix, we are using Patch Crete coarse and other aggregates. Finally, the Camo Patch polymer, color packs, plastic syringes, and color string. Stand by to the end of the video for item numbers for purchasing reference. First, we use the color string to determine which liquid color we will use. For best results, match a demonstration of the final polish. Today we are matching the concrete after a 60-80 diamond grind, and we will mix a blend of number 210 with number 4 beige of the SSP Camo Patch color selection. Some important notes before mixing the patch. Start in small batches. Separately measure A and B sides. Mix the color and aggregates into B side first. In a larger container, mix in B side with the liquid color. Use no more than 1 milliliter per every 2 ounces of polymer. Use a syringe for accuracy. Too much color may result into a bad reaction. Next, we add in the Patch Crete into the B side. The ratio is 1 part Camo Patch UV to 2 parts Patch Crete. Do not add the larger aggregate just yet. Those will be hand seeded at the point of application. Mix well, making sure the dry mix is fully wet out. Finally, mix in A side and mix for 30 seconds. Once you are done, clean off your mixer. Do not leave it inside the cleaning agent. You have about 5 minutes of working time. Now for the application. Use a margin trowel or paint mixer to help guide the material into the spall. Fill the spall beyond the edges, leaving a crown over the top. Do not trowel tightly, as the material may cave in. Taper off the edges to assist in later grinding. Scrape off excess and drips. Now is when you seed in the heavier aggregate over the top by hand. Next is the Grout Coat. For this demo, we are including the Grout Coat in with the patching step. The mix is Camo Patch UV Neat, no aggregate nor color, as the material is translucent and camouflages into the pitted surfaces. Use a trowel and pull tightly. Multiple grout coats may be necessary. Here is the patch and the Grout Coat curing. It is about a 90-minute cure time. Here's a scratch test. Perform a scratch test to check the cure of the patch. If the material is still tacky or flexes, it is not ready to grind. If the material is rigid and flakes upon the scratch, then it's ready to grind. This is a previous demo. Now we grind. Use diamond tooling to grind flush. Here, we are using a 60-80 diamond. After grinding, wet the patch to activate the cement content. Allow the proper cure time. Patch Crete requires 1 hour and this is important to allow for a polish at later stages. Next, we apply a second grout coat. Same as before, the material used is Camo Patch UV, no color nor any aggregate. And once again, we use the 60/80 diamond cup wheel to grind flush. The substrate has been fully repaired. It was patched, grouted twice, all with one polymer. You are now ready to polish, seal, or perform any other decorative finish. Here are the ratios performed for this demonstration. The patch was 2 ounces of each A side and B side of Camo Patch UV, 2 milliliters of liquid color, and 8 ounces in volume of Patch Crete coarse, which is a blend of 30% proprietary fine cement and 70% coarse sand. The grout was Camo Patch UV neat, no aggregate nor any color. Remember to always work in a well-ventilated area, wear the proper protection, and store the polymers in a cool, dry area away from the sun. Solid Solution Products is the premier provider of fine materials used on top concrete floor applications. Use this list to reference materials and tools. Thank you for joining the Polished Concrete Repair Patch and Grout Coat tutorial featuring Camo Patch UV Polymer and Patch Crete Coarse Dry Mix. Follow us for other educational content on surface prep, concrete repair, and joint filling polymers. If you like this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. This has been a production from Solid Solution Products.